Email marketing isn't dying, it's evolving. In fact, in 2025, global email users are expected to hit 4.6 billion, making it more important than ever for businesses to stay ahead of the game. So what's changing and how can you make the most of it? Let's dive into the biggest trends shaping the future of email marketing. So let's chat about it. Today we're diving into some of the big changes coming in email design and email marketing, from AI personalization to mobile optimization. Stick around because the future of email is something that you definitely want to get ahead of. Personalization and AI, a new era for emails. All right, let's kick things off with personalization, a topic we've all heard a ton about. But in 2025, it's going to be next level. AI is making huge strides in almost everything, and email marketing is no different. So what does this mean for your inbox? Imagine opening an email and it feels like it was written just for you. Not just your name at the top, but the tone, the content, even the timing, all based on what you like and how you behave online. That's where we're headed with AI-powered personalization. AI isn't just personalizing, it's predicting. It knows what you click, what catches your eye, and when you're ready to buy, making every email feel like it was written just for you. What's exciting about this? Well, it means emails are going to feel a lot less generic and more like a conversation with a friend who gets you. This shift will help marketers connect with their audience on a deeper level. So keep an eye out for those emails that don't just feel like another marketing pitch, but actually offer value based on what you've shown interest in. Why this is a game changer. With AI getting better at predicting what we want and when we want it, email marketing isn't just about selling something anymore. It's about building genuine relationships with customers. That's a huge win for both brands and people getting those emails. Interactive email design, more than just static content. Next up, interactivity. If you've ever clicked on a link in an email to watch a video or take a poll, you've dipped your toes into interactive design. Email design in 2025 is going to feel way more like an app than just a message in your inbox. We're talking about embedded videos, product carousels, and even mini games right inside the email. It's like turning your inbox into a more engaging, interactive experience. Now, why this matters? The goal here is to make your emails stand out and get people engaged. When an email is interactive, it becomes more than just a message, it's an experience. People are more likely to engage when they feel like they're part of the action, not just reading a static offer. Omnisend is a tool that comes in handy here too. With its drag and drop editor, you can easily create interactive emails with images, videos, and even special offers that drive engagement without overwhelming your audience. Privacy and data, moving toward more trustworthy strategies. So let's shift gears now and talk about privacy. If you've been paying attention, you know that data privacy is a big deal these days. It's only going to become more and more of a matter. With things like GDPR and CCPA, those privacy laws that everyone talks about, businesses are going to have to be way more transparent about how they're collecting and using your data. But here's the thing. First-party data, the data that a company collects directly from you, will be the star of the show. Instead of relying on third-party data or cookies, which are becoming a thing of the past, marketers will lean more on the data that they gather from their own interactions with you. That means everything you click, buy, or interact with will help personalize your experience, and it'll be done in a way that feels more trustworthy and less invasive. So what's changing? The biggest change here is that companies will need to be more upfront about data use. This means they'll be asking for your permission before collecting your data, and they'll likely give you more control over what's shared. It's a move toward a more ethical approach to data and privacy, and honestly, it's a good thing for both sides. Omnisend helps with this by ensuring that your emails stay compliant with all the latest privacy regulations, like GDPR, giving you peace of mind and a better reputation with your customers. Mobile optimization, emails for the on-the-go generation. Now, here's something we've known for a while. People check their emails on their phones, and that trend is not going away. In fact, mobile optimization will be more important than ever. Emails that aren't optimized for mobile, they're going to be a thing of the past. Mobile-first design will be the norm. That means emails will be designed specifically with mobile users in mind. No more trying to squint at tiny text or deal with slow-loading images. Instead, we'll see layouts that are easy to read and fast to load, no matter where you are or what device you're using. What this means for you. So if you're a marketer, this is where you need to focus, making sure that your emails look great and work smoothly on mobile devices. If your emails are hard to read or take too long to load, people won't stick around to engage with your content. Mobile-first design isn't just a nice to have anymore, it's essential. Dark mode and accessibility, designing for everyone. And last but not least, dark mode. You've probably noticed it's becoming super popular on phones, apps, and even websites. Well, email email design is jumping on that bandwagon too. In fact, dark mode compatibility will be a must for email marketers. But that's not all. Accessibility will also be a big focus. Making sure emails are easy to read for everyone, including people with disabilities, will be a top priority. This means using things like high contrast colors, larger fonts, and clear calls to action that can be easily understood by screen readers. Why? It's important. So not only does dark mode make things easier on the eyes in low light environments, but focusing on accessibility means emails will be easier to interact with for a wider range of people. When emails are designed with accessibility in mind, you're opening up your content to a larger audience and making sure everyone can enjoy the same experience. Omnisend provides features like A/B testing for accessibility, ensuring you can test out different design elements and see what works best for all of your subscribers, including those with accessibility needs. The future of email marketing in 2025. So what's the bottom line? Email marketing is going to be more personalized, interactive, and privacy conscious than ever before. AI will help create hyper-targeted content, interactivity will become the norm, and marketers will focus more on building trust with their subscribers. Plus, the growing focus on mobile optimization and accessibility means your email campaigns will have to meet higher standards if they want to succeed. Now, email marketing is evolving fast, and these changes are worth keeping an eye on. It's all about making emails feel more personal, more relevant, and ultimately more effective. So if you want your emails to stand out this year, having the right tools make all the difference in the world. Now, Omnisend has been mentioned a few times because it has some solid features like AI-driven personalization and mobile-friendly designs that can help you stay ahead of the curve. If you haven't tried it yet, it's worth a look to see if it fits your email marketing game plan. If you want to get started with it, you'll find a link for it down in the description below, which will bring you to a page that looks just like this, where, as you can see, you can get started for free. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using that link, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that tiny little notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more. So why don't you go ahead and subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.